Elon Musk's company xAI just launched Grok 4, and it might be the most powerful AI model in the world. In this video, I'll walk you through what Grok 4 can actually do, how it performs in real tests, what tools it has, how much it costs, and what's coming next from the xAI team. Let's dive in. One major benchmark is called Humanity's Last Exam, created by Scale AI. It's filled with advanced questions from math, science, and linguistics, and it's hard. A good human score is around 5%. Grok 4? 26.9% without tools. With tools? Even better. It also scored a perfect 100% on the AMI benchmark, something no other model has done. Grok 4 isn't just a chatbot. It thinks, reasons, and takes action. It uses tools to search the web, calculate, and complete tasks like an AI assistant on steroids. This agentic reasoning gives Grok 4 an edge, especially in tasks where GPT-4 and Claude can't keep up. But better answers equals more compute plus time, so it's not always fast. Across other tough benchmarks like GPQA, LiveCodeBench, and ArcAGI, Grok 4 shines. It scored nearly 16% on ArcAGI, almost double Claude Opus. What's more impressive? It delivers that performance at a lower cost than some competitors. In one creative test called Vending Bench, Grok 4 ran a virtual vending machine business, and increased its net worth better and longer than any other model tested. Grok 4's voice mode is new and surprisingly good. It can whisper, sing, and hold natural conversations. In early tests, it's faster and more responsive than OpenAI's voice assistant. It also handles 256,000 tokens, enough to process huge documents and long code bases. Multimodal support to text, images, even video is actively being trained, with big improvements expected soon. Here's the cost breakdown. White heavy checkmark Grok free, included in X Premium, $8 to $10/month. High voltage SuperGrok, $30 per month, better speed and quality. Brain SuperGrok Heavy, $300 per month, tool use plus reasoning agents. Briefcase or $3,000 per year if you want it long-term. API pricing starts at $3 to $6 per million input tokens and $15 to $30 for output, great for devs. Heads up, Grok 4 is always in reasoning mode, which means it's smarter, but slower. So what's next? xAI says. Lap computer, a dedicated coding model is dropping soon. Brain, a multimodal AI agent, comes this fall. And a video generating model is coming, trained on 100,000 NVIDIA GB200S, insane. No other company has used that much compute for video AI, not even OpenAI or Google. So, is Grok for the best AI model today? It dominates benchmarks, runs businesses, chats with you, and might soon make videos. Comment below if you want a deep dive on Grok's coding or video AI models. Smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one with real AI updates.